What's going on? Michael Petty here. A lot of people hear I don't have the money to start a home business. So I did a blog post breaking down the truth, going to a little more information about why people say this. So if you're on YouTube, click the link down in the description to get to my blog. If you're on my blog, the information is down below. Some of the reasons why they say this: fear of loss of money. A lot of them don't have the money because they don't track where their money is going. They get fast food on a regular basis, coffee every day, impulse buying. You know how you out somewhere and you see something, like for example, you go to your local Walmart, right? Go there for something specific, but your cart end up full because you say, oh, I'm gonna get this, let me get this. That's impulse buying. So you end up with less cash than you expected to. A lot of people got the employee mindset, right? They don't see the benefits of a home-based business. They're so used to working this week, getting paid the next week. Think like an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs understand that you're gonna put in work, get paid. 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 Then it's gonna get paid. Put in work, get paid. Get paid. Put in work, get paid. Get paid. I got that idea from a mentor I had a while ago. He explained it that way as far as having a business. That's a long time ago when I used to do the MLM, my MLM years. And the truth is, people have the money. People have money for what they see value in. So therefore, if you're constantly hearing, oh, I don't have the money, you need to increase the value. So I want to appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. The rest of the information is in the blog post. And check this out. Send me a message, comment down below, send me a text message saying, Mike, can you cover this? Can you cover that? I do a video on it. I do a blog post on it. And if you make the decision to partner with me at the G500 or higher, I'm going to run traffic to your link to help you get eyeballs in your business. Now, if you come in at the highest level, I got an additional bonus that I'm going to give you. And it's going to help you get qualified faster, and it's going to help you make more potential sales. My name is Michael Petty. Talk to you soon.